In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fade an image to transparent in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing into your account if needed. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. This is how you'll open a new project where you can place and edit your image. Next, choose any design type that fits what you're making. For example, you can select a social media design, but the exact size doesn't matter for this process. The goal here is simply to open a blank canvas so you can work with your image. Once the design opens, you'll see the Canva editor. From the left-hand panel, click Uploads. This section is where Canva stores images and files you bring in from your computer. Now click Upload Files, then choose the image you want to fade. After the upload finishes, the image will appear in the Uploads panel. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to finish processing. Click the uploaded image to add it to your canvas. You should now see it placed in the design area, and when it's selected, a toolbar will appear at the top of the editor. This toolbar gives you image-specific controls. From here, look for the transparency button in the top toolbar. It usually appears as a checkerboard style icon. This control lets you adjust how visible or see-through the image is. Click Transparency, and a slider will open. Now drag the slider to the left to reduce the image's opacity. As you move it, the image will become more transparent. If you move it only a little, you'll create a light fade effect. If you move it farther left, the image will become much more see-through. At this point, watch the canvas as you adjust the slider so you can stop when the fade looks right. This is helpful because the best transparency level depends on your design and whether you want text or other elements to appear clearly on top of the image. If the image doesn't seem to change, make sure the image itself is selected and not the background or another object. That's a very common beginner mistake. Also, if you're trying to create a soft edge fade, instead of fading the entire image evenly, that's a different effect and may require gradients or additional editing tools. The transparency slider fades the whole image uniformly. Once you're happy with the result, just click anywhere outside the slider to close it. Canva saves your work automatically, so you don't need to manually save in most cases. And that's how you fade an image to transparent in Canva. Thanks for watching.